I am gonna pick up a phone call right now with a potential client who is interested in working with me, but they have quite a few questions still of what's the steps for them, of how they should approach creating their membership program, putting it in place, signing the first few members into it so they can start having recurring income. I'm gonna pick up this phone call right now, and you can listen into it to learn and see what you should do and how it's gonna look like for you, right, to put your own membership program in place so you can have a recurring monthly income always coming to you from the members who are paying you $97 per month, for example, for your membership program. And I use Skool app Skool, where I host my program, right? And if you like any of this stuff, and if you would like to put your own program in place, make sure to follow my channel, subscribe to the YouTube channel here so you can receive more of my knowledge, more of my videos. I'm vlogging it all. I'm vlogging how I'm going to 100 members myself, and I'm guiding quite a lot of people, 30 plus people right now on this journey as well, so everyone can have a part-time or full-time recurring income coming to them. Enjoy this call right now. Let's go. You know, the idea is that you grow your community, right? And you get people pay your monthly fee, right?
Yeah.
That's the idea, right? And the Skool app supports us to do that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So did you work with any clients at the moment? I mean, where are you at?
No, at the moment I've got a couple of clients in the background, but not with this program.
But you need to understand this, that this is a long-term journey as well, right? You know.
Yeah. Don't forget, just so you know, Primoz, I've been working on this as a long-term journey, and a lot of my work is already, some of it's been proven and some of it I've still got to prove. But I am I've been doing this journey for a long time.
I understand. Because look, even for me, I have around 30 members right now, right? And it took me quite some time to sign them in and have them to stay and support them. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, but now when I have it in place, it provides me with stability, recurring income, because they are all automatically charged, and it's my foundation,
Yeah, got it.
So that's the idea of it, right?
Yeah.
And then I can do everything else around it. I do the YouTube channel, I build an email list, and everything then just supports this growth, right? Slowly.
Exactly. And I have, that's what I was trying to say to you before. I have practiced doing a lot of this I've been doing stuff for like 10, 20 years.
Yeah. All of these roads need to lead to, people signing into your online membership as well, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Whatever we do on social media or wherever, right? All the roads also need to lead to a person signing with you so they can interact with you and you support them, right? Inside the membership, right? I know the paths, I know how to approach building it and signing the first 5, 10 and more people, and then myself, I want to go to 100 now. I'm at 30 plus, somewhere there, but I want to go to 100, so it's just gonna take me maybe 6-7 months, depends, right? Because I'm not a guru, right? I don't have a big audience, but we all go slowly forward as much as we can, right?
Exactly, but I'm not a guru either. I don't ever want to be a guru, but I think it's not about that. It's about serving your community, and that there will be people who want to have what you're offering, what I'm offering. So it is a question of slowly, and it's as you say, it's making sure that all the roads lead to signing up. I just really want to know, where do I need to jump back in? What do I need to do next? And what's the best plan of action, really?
Yeah, the first 3 steps are already outlined in my Premium Life Workshop Skool community, which you are already part of, right? That's my free school, kind of, all right? So I have the first 3 steps are already outlined there, which you're gonna need to go through. I will guide you through those, for example, right? But the first step is decide on your offer, write your membership offer description out, and how much you're gonna charge. Exactly, right? So if you've done that good, then we go to this. And as part of this first step as well is creating some video material, like video course, okay?
That's where I'm at.
Yes.
The video material is next.
Yeah.
So I've got to do all the video material, and then when I've done the video material, then that will be that second step. Was that the first step? So.
Yes. And then we're going to move to the second step. But look, for your video materials, the key is we need to keep them simple and short even, to be honest.
Yeah.
Because we don't want to get stuck in video recording stage, like the videos will always be improved later and more will be added to the whole course curriculum, right? Whatever. So anyway, that gotta be done. Second step now then is, after videos are ready and you have written your offer out, you decided on your price point. Second step is open Skool and optimize it, right? So I put this as a second step because you gotta need to put your videos there. You need to put your offer on the order about page. You need to write a welcome post that welcomes new members in. So when they come in, when they paid you, they can already introduce themselves. They can already know where to go to watch the first video, right? And they can get access to your weekly group coaching call or so, right? So that's the second step. Hey, can you accept a new member come to you? Pay you, right? So that's Skool optimization, which I can explain you which settings you need to put in place. I have templates, no worries. And then the third step is, okay, can we sign the first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 members now paying you?
Yeah.
You know, and I have a strategy of how to approach signing the first few, and then later step 4 is, okay, how to go from there now, how to have attraction systems in place and other kind of stuff, so new members more can come to us and we can keep getting more on demand. I will explain you that later, but first we gotta sign the first few, because that's where people fail. If someone can't sign 3 to 5 people, they won't break through. With 5 people paying you, you cover costs. You create this energy around you now, around your membership, and then you go from there. That's the key here, okay?
Exactly.
So that's kind of the plan, right? To go through. We gotta go step by step, but you're gonna need, everyone needs to stay focused. Hey, I really will complete this project. You know, I'll put it in place. You know, that's.
Yeah, well, I'm there with my program's already there. It's the program I've done for the last 10 years, and I got books and blah 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 with it all. So I just need now the next step is the videos. So once I've done the videos and I'm going to find your sheets, then you're saying the next step is to get it on Skool, isn't it?
Yeah.
Because once I get it up on Skool and mapped out, then I've got no problem with getting people on it. I just need the signpost to get them from there to onto the actual, training. So that's the bit I need, where I think I need your help to dive in and guide me with how to do it. I think that's what you're saying, isn't it?
Yeah.
Cool.
That's simple to do. All this is simple to do with Skool, right? Yeah, it's gonna be all in one place with Skool. It's easy to put the price point there. Just connect your bank account to it and a few other settings, as I mentioned, right? And then you're ready to sign the first, second, third person, right? But then you need to start running your program, right? It requires you to be active on a weekly basis. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Myself, I do a few strategy calls with members every week, and then every day I talk to new people, I send content out, send emails out, I create YouTube videos, right? So I need to be active, right?
Yeah, got it.
I will explain you the plan of how I support someone, right? So, for example, when you're gonna open your Skool and you're gonna use my invitation link, that benefits me a bit. And if you do that, I can keep supporting you, let's say via DMs, and here and there we can do a quick call like this or whatever, or you can come to Wednesday's session with me, with a few others, no worries. You can do that if you just open Skool through my link.
Yeah, okay, cool.
Right? Now the other level is to go even faster, is $97 a month with me extra, and for that someone gets 3 strategy sessions with me per week, and I also give a software for marketing, CRM contacts management software, and email list building software, and application page is all in one place with the software that I give you as well, right? So we can build systems around it all, right? And with this $97 a month with me, I support you deeper, and I can reply it faster to more of your DMs. You can come to strategy sessions with me 3 times a week, or at least once, of course, right? And that's how this level works, right? I really support you faster.
Right. I thought, okay, cool. That's what I worked on, and I think I've cracked it now. So I'm ready.
And all of that, your unique selling point and whatever you're saying, all of that gets in place. It sharpens itself when you start signing people, talking to them, creating content. It's a journey, as I said, right? So we become with time better, and we find ourselves, in a proper way related to our course, program and knowledge, right? So everything will fall in place for you then.
I got it. Yeah.
With time. So.
Yeah, I'm excited. I don't think because I haven't been there, I haven't been aware of.
Yeah.
You know what it's like. You're just sometimes you get caught up in life and stuff. So.
I know, but that's why we need to stick to the vision and plan. We need to. It's hard. I know sometimes we get distracted, but I try to stick to my goal. Plan, and we fight for it. Yeah. So cool, Clara. Then I will DM you with the link to the course lesson that tells you how to outline your course and record it, okay? I'll just give you that so you know what you need to do, all right?
Right, amazing. Oh, thanks, Primoz. And it's good to talk to you. I'm glad we managed to speak today. Yeah, cool. I'm so close now, so I'm so happy.
Yeah.
All right, I look forward to catching up soon.
Okay. Yeah, have fun, okay? Yeah.
Thanks, Primoz.
Okay.
Bye.
Okay, see ya, bye. Okay, so that was a quick chat with a potential client, and I just wanted to document it so you see if a little bit of the mindset, a little bit of the steps that you're gonna need to go through, right? To put your own membership coaching program in place, right? So you can start having a recurring monthly income, right? And hopefully you enjoyed this session. If you would like to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe my channel here, because I am guiding, coaching a lot of people, helping them create part-time or full-time income by them being coaches, right? And having a membership coaching program in place so people can just do this for a living, like myself, right? I'm a full-time online coach and I just live my life this way. And if you would like to start making money where people are paying you for your knowledge, your course, your guidance, right? Follow my channel here so you can learn more about how it all works.